If your air conditioning condenser unit is making a loud vibration noise, it's probably because the rubber mounts have gone bad and need replacing. So, here's what you want to do. First off, turn off the power to the unit to stay safe. No one wants a shock while fixing stuff. Then check out those rubber mounts around the condenser. If they look cracked, squished, or totally worn down, that's your problem right there. You can usually grab replacement mounts online or at a hardware store. Just make sure they match the size and shape of the originals. When you take off the old mounts, keep track of any bolts or screws so you don't lose them. Put the new rubber mounts in and make sure they're seated right so they can absorb vibration properly. Tighten everything back up, but don't go crazy with the torque that you want it snug but not crushed. Once everything is back together, turn the power on and listen to see if that annoying noise is gone. If it still rumbles, double check your install or call a pro to avoid making it worse. One of the biggest mistakes people make with condenser unit rubber mounts is ignoring the vibration noise until it's super loud, which can mess up other parts of your AC system fast. Another common slip-up is buying cheap, mismatched mounts that don't fit well, so they wear out again quick and waste your time and money. Lastly, folks often over-tighten the mounts or bolts thinking it'll stop the noise, but that just squashes the rubber and kills its cushioning effect. To fix these, always replace mounts as soon as you hear vibration sounds. Invest in quality parts that match your unit specs, and tighten bolts just enough to hold mounts firmly without squeezing them. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you're looking to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to home repairs like this. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to connect with homeowners who need help and grow your business without all the hassle.